A major shakeup in biomedical research funding. The Trump administration announced plans to cut billions from overhead costs. But what does this mean for scientists, universities, and medical progress? Let's break it down. What are overhead costs? When the government funds scientific research, not all the money goes directly into lab experiments. A significant portion covers overhead costs, things like electricity, administrative support, and maintenance. The Trump administration argues that these costs are bloated and wants to trim the fat. The proposed cuts. Under this proposal, federal grants would reduce the reimbursement of overhead expenses, shifting more financial burden onto research institutions. The administration suggests this will free up more money for actual research, but critics argue it could have the opposite effect. Impact on research institutions. For universities and research centers, this could mean severe budget shortfalls. Many rely on overhead funding to sustain facilities and staff. Could this lead to fewer research projects or even layoffs? Some experts say yes. Supporters vs. opponents. Supporters of the cuts claim that overhead costs are excessive and that institutions should find alternative funding. Opponents warn that reducing financial support could slow down crucial medical discoveries, from cancer treatments to new vaccines. What happens next? Congress will play a key role in deciding whether these cuts go through. Some lawmakers are pushing back, while others see this as a step toward fiscal responsibility. The debate is far from over. What do you think? Should the government cut overhead costs in biomedical research, or could this move set back scientific progress? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth analysis.